YouTube? How's everybody doing? Chocomore here. Just picked up in New Jersey. Not going too far. Pick up right in Deptford, New Jersey, around Philadelphia, my hometown. Going right by Harrisburg, Jonestown's area. Deliver Monday. So, we're going to stop home for the weekend and stuff like that. So, the weather is really bad. So let me check up on you guys and see what you guys are up to. I know. So everybody, how's everybody doing today? You know, let me know in the comment down below. You know, remember, please like the video and share. Yeah, this low, it's not bad. About 275 miles, if I'm not mistaken. It's not too bad. It's paying okay. You know, it was late pickup too, so I'm working pretty late, so maybe that kind of play a part of it. So I'm gonna go home, put some food together for the weekend and for the week I'm in. Get out Sunday nights, not too late because it's about 100 plus. It's 2 stops actually. The first stop is in Jonestown. You know, I'm gonna leave a little bit right after power on Sunday. I'll probably leave at 12 o'clock. Go on the delivery. Deliver, then pick up again. I'll go over the week like that. You know, hopefully we get a good week. The Mac is moving strong, showing me all these powers. You know, let me know what you guys been up to in the comment down below. Go and do some work on the truck this weekend again when I'm home, while I am home. Keep you guys updated on it, you know what I mean? But the Bulldog, look at it. I love this baby. So, just trying to show you guys how is it going out here. Some guy was backing up earlier. I was trying to record it, but I don't like to laugh at people when they're struggling, backing up or whatever. I usually just go and help them out, you know, because that would be me or anybody I know one day they're struggling with something. Instead of laugh at them, I just go and help. I know. And he like, I could tell you a new guy, he was telling me, oh, can you, when I asked him, I'm like, you need help? He like, yeah, can you back it up for me? I was like, nah, you know, because if I back it up for him, he's not learning. That's not going to help him. With this bad weather too, it's good for somebody to guide you and you do it, and that will help you get better and better and better. So I was like, no, I'm just going to help you, guide you through it, and you can do it yourself. That would help than me trying to do it for you. You know what I mean? That would help the person. I went through it with home, and after he got it in, I was like, how long you been driving? He like, nah, I'm a new guy. I'm like, yeah, I can see. And then he's like, he been driving like a year and a month, a year or two, something like that. I'm not sure exact. But I'm just glad I was able to help him back it up in this bad weather and stuff like that. You know, the blue was kind of a little bit tight too, so I don't blame him. You know, and then another thing about this, it's not about oh, I'm good at it, I don't never need help. That's bullshit. It's just one of them places that you're gonna go, you're gonna need help. I don't care how long you've been driving. I mean, you're gonna get it, but it's gonna take you time. But if somebody can help you the night like this, the weather is bad, you barely can see behind you, the truck and trailers are parked, yeah, you're gonna struggle a little bit. It happens to everybody. So, but yeah, I'm just happy I was able to get it, help him out. So, you know, yeah. But yeah, no, that was just a little bit of information in this bad weather driving. So hopefully I can see you guys tomorrow. I can do another video for you guys tomorrow, whether fixing trucks or talking about trucking. Because now I'm on the road, we're going to be talking about trucking. You know, things that we see, things that we talk about, you know, real life stuff. So thank you and have a good one. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.